Rafael, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We are now on the center, one of the center of the Harman International booth in IFA Berlin, 2007. And in this room, we have an extraordinary system, which is JBL Synthesis.
That's correct, yes.
So please explain to us how these kind of things can be set up, installed, everything.
Okay. So they're basically systems for smaller rooms, and it's always according to the room volume, because that's quite a big room. We took the biggest system we have. We used the new reference speaker of JBL. It's the Mark II of the Everest. We use this for the 3 channels in the front, for right, left, and for the center channel. The center is something that we cannot see here because it's behind the acoustical transparent screen from the French manufacturer Screen Research. Then for the surrounds, you have 6 similar speakers. And what's a little bit special this year, we took 4 subwoofers in the front. They're right below the center speaker. And we have 2 additional subwoofers in the side walls this year.
Okay. So how do you set it up? I mean, it's fully remotable. I mean, I don't understand. I don't just explain everything.
Yeah.
Try. How can we have this kind of room? If I want to have it, how can I do it? I must buy everything, of course, but I need a full installation, full setup.
Yeah, you need a partner that plans everything. Usually we start very early with the architect, even to build the stairs and everything, because this already defines where you can have the roll of the seat, which is very important for the acoustics after to place the seats correctly. So we need to know how much volume the client has, and then we can give him some ideas what kind of system will be possible. And then the size of the screen usually depends on how close the seats are. And then if we have a good budget, if we can plan like this, then we would do exact plans that we would give to the architect, that he can prepare everything for you, that we can build in the screen and all the loudspeakers. Part of it is usually in-wall. We have to hide the subwoofers and all that stuff. There's a lot of planning work that we do before, just for the construction, that everything will be okay. And then we do the acoustical treatments. That also depends on how the room will be built. And there's different steps. We can do just a little bit of acoustical treatment, or as here we did here, we can go very, very far and do all the crazy stuff with where we control the walls. We have different materials behind the walls to do the acoustical treatment. We can also do ceiling treatments. We can go very far. And I mean, the sound of the room is very, very important to have a good theater after.
Okay, so everything is hidden. I mean, we didn't see any amplifiers, any source. So yeah, everything has been is somewhere.
Exactly. If the theater of this size, you need to have a technical room. What we did here, we have the projection room. It's also important that we have access to the projector from the front to set up the lens and everything. And then in this technical room, we have, in this case, 2 big racks where we have all the amplifiers and that stuff. And the room needs to be ventilated. We need the air conditioning. We go down to 20 degrees here to get sure that it works perfectly.
Yeah, absolutely. To keep it cool.
Absolutely.
So if just maybe a ridiculous question, but what the cost for such a room?
For this size of room, we could take a little bit a smaller system. We had the budget, and we wanted to show something really big this year. We didn't want to show just the same as last year. Yeah. But the system that we have set it up here is for all the equipment around 400,000 euros.
All right.
And then the planning work, installation, and that stuff, it really depends. It's different here because it's a trade show, but I would say it's 450 is realistic to do something like this.
Well, which is not bad, but I mean the result is tremendous. I mean it's
absolutely. And our clients love it.
Yes, I can imagine that.
Yeah.
How many people can sit here? 3?
That's 27 seats that we have this year, yes.
Well, that's impressive.
Yeah, but the average cinemas that we build are between 4 and 20 seats. Sometimes we have the pleasure to build like 36 or something seat theaters. which
All
is
right,
very
congratulations, Raphael. That's beautiful.
cool. Thank you very much.
Thank you.